please welcome Alan Cameron-Sweeney.
And here I am in all my glory.
What made me smack my face off the ground? Too much Irish whiskey? No stereotypical jokes today. Thanks very much.
I was on my phone, I was on Facebook. It's the problem today. There's too much information in the world. There's too many distractions. First one, information. That's accountants and their table of numbers. But where we really need to get to is, we need to join the dots and then highlight what's actually meaningful. If we're talking to our business partners, people we're providing the numbers to, what are the numbers that mean something? What are the numbers that matter? What are the numbers we need to focus on to make better decisions? Accounting is changing from number crunching to value add activities. And accountants need to change with it. They need to learn analytical techniques. We were discussing the dashboard. He said, Alan, I want this to be sexy. I want this to have bells and whistles. This needs to be the fanciest looking thing since sliced bread. I'm like, hold on now. Sexy is not actually effective. And this is a big problem with data visualization. People think because it looks good, it must be good. But it's not actually that effective. So that slope, all things being equal, for cost of sales will be the same. And therefore profit, the slope should also be the same. I help accountants go from information to insight by using analytical techniques. To get them there, I take them through the Visual Finance Insight Meter, which is a 6-step process. And when we spoke to the executive team, said, hey guys, what do you want on a dashboard? And they said, well, we want this. And then we spoke to their direct reports, and I was like, oh, we don't even have that data. That's not actually important. There was really no agreement on what was actually important. I'd like you to talk to your partner again, and I'd like to know, in your business, is everybody actually in agreement of what numbers are important? And people are laughing already. Show of hands. Does anyone in their company agree on what's important? No. I've had one person answer that question. They said yes. And I said, what's the secret? She says, I work for myself. Another pet peeve, 3D charts. Just don't. Just don't. Just don't. I could give you many reasons, but just don't is the best one I have.
You can use it to your advantage, like if my other half, Claire says, Alan, I want to spend $500 on new pillows. I can say, yes, and why do you think we should prioritise that over a holiday? And I can let her explain her own bad idea to me.
I deliver my content through talks, workshops, and training sessions. I'm committed to improving your audience's insights, decision-making, and profits.